In external CSS folder, create a file style.css. Style.css. And one more file you create, home.html. Style.css and home.html. You will create following files. Home.html is already ready. About.html. One more file. Service.html. One more file. Login.html. One more file. Signup.html. Or maybe register.html. One more file. Contact.html. This all file. And one was called style.css. So style.css, one file, and remaining as a HTML file you create. In external CSS folder, our file is ready. Next service file should be ready. Next is login file should be ready. Next is register file should be ready. Next is contact file should be ready. Okay, contact, register, login, service, about, and home. Okay, so hope this all file created, everyone. All should be in one folder, external CSS. In external CSS folder, we are creating these all files. Other people, Girish, Hari Prasad, Suresh, not following, not creating files. Let me know if you have created. Okay, come to your CSS file. Style.css for body tag. You will write margin 0px, and for h1 tag you will write font size 80 pixel, color as red, and text align center. Text align as a center. Okay, next after this, CSS code we wrote separate. That is called a style.css file. And HTML file we have separate. Now right here before h1 only, for UL tag, padding 20 pixel, margin 0px. Text align center or left is also okay. Under the UL, the LI should be display inline. And then padding should be again padding. There is a shortcut way to write the padding. In padding you can pass 3 values. First value will apply from top. Okay. Second value will apply from the left and right. Third value will apply from the bottom. That is called padding top 20, padding left, right 40, and padding bottom 20 altogether. So first number top, second number left, right, third number bottom. So else you have to write 4 times. Padding top, padding left, padding right, padding bottom. So instead of writing 4 times, you wrote only 1 time. Okay, next after this. After that, we can go inside and write for UL of LI of A tag. Under the UL LI, whichever the A tag will come, that will be color in orange color and font size somewhere 22 pixel and text decoration none, like no underline. Text decoration none represent no underline. Okay, text decoration none. Now this is the CSS you wrote. Now then after that, this CSS file we are going to call in home. We'll call in about, contact, in all the file. We will call the same CSS. Same CSS file will call everywhere. Now whichever the file you will call the CSS for UL, for body tag, for LI tag, for E tag, and for H1 tag. This much property will get applied. Okay. HTML we have total 6 files. HTML we have total 6 files, and CSS we have only 1 file. Okay, if you change one place, this 40 to 60, it will apply in all 6 pages. If you change one place here, anything, any property, orange you change to green, it will apply in all the 6 pages. Okay, so this is the most famous method. It's called a external CSS. Okay. Now, how to connect the pages, how to connect the HTML to CSS, we'll see in the remaining files. Okay, so hope you have written it. ULLI A tag. Now we'll go to the HTML file. Okay, coming to the HTML file, home.html file. So I hope all have done it. They written the CSS because different file. If I go from one file to other file, you can't see the code again. In home file, we will link the HTML file to CSS file. Start from HTML. Okay, few portion of CSS I will share in the chat also. You can use this if anything is missed out. So all A to Z all came in the chat. So now moving on the home file, we will start from the HTML. Then will be there. Head will be there. Under the head, you have to write a link tag. Link tag is an independent tag. You can keep the slash in the last. Using the link tag, you are going to link now HTML to CSS. HTML file will be linked to the CSS file. Okay, we can write here REL. Using the REL, you are going to explain what type of file you are going to include. So using REL, you are going to write here called REL equal to style set. Style set. So REL keyword explain to the compiler the file you are going to call, their type is style set. And then using href, you are going to link it. Using href, you are going to link that file. That is called your style.css. That is within the same folder. Okay, REL equal to style set. Now come down, go for the body tag. Under body tag, you will write here UL tag. And inside that, you will write for li tag. Inside that, you will write for a href. We can add here. And we need to link here to the home.html. Home.html. Next is about. Purpose. Next is service. Our services. Next is login. Next is register. Next is contact. Next after that, H1 tag you can use. Welcome. Okay, done till here. Save this file now. Run once. Navigation should appear, and below H1 should come. Something like this. CSS got applied. Hope your page look like this. Okay, and let's go ahead. Some changes we'll do now in the CSS file. Okay. In the CSS file, style.css file. So hope this H1 UL to UL all completed. You wrote H1 and your CSS file is linking properly. Home.html file is connecting with the CSS file using which tag? Link tag. Okay, in link tag, how many property? Two property. One is called REL that define the type of the file. Another one is called HREL that define the link of the file. Which file you are going to link. Next, in the CSS file, we will keep these menus in the middle. It's coming in the left hand side. We'll bring in the middle. So for that, for the UL tag, you have to write text hyphen align colon center. Text hyphen align colon center. Okay. Text align center, it's come in the middle. Now we can change little color. UL, LIA, orange you are written, right color blue. And increase the font weight also. Font height and weight as bold. Okay. Font weight bold. Font weight bold and color as a blue. It should look like this. Now there should be just line below. Below the navigation, there should be one line. So for that, you will write here in UL tag. In UL tag, you can write border bottom. Border bottom. BORDER hyphen bottom. Border bottom. Anything we can write, maybe 2px or 1px. Solid gray color. Okay, border bottom 1 pixel solid gray color. Something like this. Border bottom 1 pixel solid gray. Now instead of bottom border, let me write here shadow. Box hyphen shadow. Box shadow. From left side 0 pixel. From top side 10 pixel. Okay, and density of the shadow may be 20 pixel. Color of the shadow, let's keep gray color. If this will not look better, then we can use the border bottom. Okay, border bottom, not border bottom, box shadow. Something like this. This is better than previous. Shadow look like more. Let me reduce little. 20 pixel will make it 10px. Still best. Let me give a little less, 5px. One five or 10. Okay, so you can apply this box shadow in the bottom side. Box shadow got applied. Okay, it's look like better than border. Next, after this, when the mouse will go to the menus, it should convert into orange color. As soon as you touch here, convert into orange color. So for that, we will write here UL of Li of A colon hover. Okay. When your mouse will touch the A tag, but which A tag? Those A tags that is under the Li. And Li must be under the UL. Then change the color to orange color. And border hyphen bottom 1 pixel dotted green color. 1 pixel dotted green color. As soon as you touch any link, text will convert into green color, and below the bottom, below the text, border will get applied. That border will be only 1 pixel, like the dot dot dot, and the dot's color will be green color. Dot's color will be green color. Checked. Look like this. Wherever the mouse will go, will convert into orange, and border will come in the bottom, dot 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 in green. Right. So your one file basic structure is ready. Okay. In the same file, footer also be required. We can add the footer also. Right. So now write the CSS for footer. Footer tag. After H1, you can use a footer tag. And for the footer tag, you can add the CSS. Padding inside the footer should be 15 pixel. Okay, padding inside the footer should be 15 pixel. After that, height of the footer, let's keep somewhere 100 pixel. Text align in the footer. Text align of footer. Text align in footer. Hello. Yes, hello. Finish. Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah, say something. Okay. You can call on the same number after 10:30. Okay. So hope you have written. Now footer will go to where? Center. In the footer we want border hyphen top 5 pixel double blue color border should appear. 5 pixel double blue color border should appear. Okay, so footer is ready. Now we'll go to the one more CSS you can write will be helpful. Under the footer, right here, footer becomes a parent tag, and inside the footer, whichever the A tag you will write. So not all the A tag, only those A tags that is under the footer. Okay, for that, margin in the left, (40 pixel). Margin left, 40 pixel. Margin left, 40 px. Okay, ready? Now come to the same file. Home.html. So footer is written and footer of A is also written. So this is become CSS by tag name, and this become the CSS for a child tag name. Okay, in home file now come after h1, write one section tag. This section tag will be as a container. ID equal to container. Inside this will display all the contents. H1 will be the part of section tag. H1 will be the part of section tag. For section tag, ID should be anything meaningful I given called container. Okay, next after that footer. Footer tab open close. Inside the footer, A href term and conditions. Term and conditions. terms and conditions. Second one, terms of use. Terms of use. Next, privacy and policy. After that, help center. Like this. This will be in the footer. Okay, check the home file. It's look like this. This is from the footer. For container, we can give some height. Then footer will come in the last automatically. Okay, for container, we can give some height. Footer will come in the last automatically. So go to the CSS file. In CSS file, write the CSS for container. Minimum height 500 pixel. So home.html is ready. HTML is ready. Go to the CSS. Footer bottom border, you have written this one, change a little. Keep 10 pixel, double. Not double, solid. Gray color. Gray color. Okay. Next, after that, write the CSS for container. For container, the width should be 80%. Width should be only 80%. And margin auto. Margin auto represent center of your screen. Okay. Container will take 80% and where that is in the middle. Then minimum height for container 550 px. Okay, then so it is something like this. Footer is in the last, header on the top, and container is in between.
We can also divide left to right.
Also divide left and right. In container, now you can divide left and right. Container is taking 80%. Now inside that 80%, you can make 20% in the left side and 80% in the right side. So here you can make one block and this you can make another block. If you cover full width, then it will look odd. It will not look very good. You should leave some 10% in the left and 10% in the right. Now CSS file is one and one file is ready home.html. Home.html only will copy and paste in all the files and will change this heading about, service, login, register and contact. Okay, then we'll see how one CSS is going to help you in multiple HTML files. So your home file is ready. Copy the home file and paste in about A to Z. Copy the home file A to Z and paste in about. Copy the home file A to Z and paste in about. Okay, ready? Same file copy paste in about and change the heading to about us. H1 tag, content you can change to about us. Okay, so home and about should work now. You can go to the browser, click on about us page, about will come. Click on home page, home will come. Both the files are loading, design remain same. CSS file is only one, whereas HTML file is two. Now we need to copy the about file and paste in service page. Change the heading. Copy and paste in all the places. In all the file, same thing copy paste. Change the heading. Our services. Correct. Same file change in login. Change the heading called login. Login file is ready. Copy the same content, paste in register, save here call, register also. Copy the same content, paste in contact, change for contact us. Okay, fine. Save now. Check all the pages. If all the pages are loading, on click of the link, all the pages should load. Right? So CSS you wrote how many places? 1 place. HTML how many places? 6 places. That becomes a one to many. Please let me know also in the chat your page is working or not. So, I will guide you. Keep patience. Time will come, I'll guide you. This you understood? Inside this section, you can create two divisions. One division with 30%, another person with 70%. In this section, you can create two divisions, and for both the division, you can write CSS. One division with 30%, another division with 70%. Automatically division will happen. Float left, one after other it will come. That's all. Okay, now hope you are wrote till here. So come to the next file. That is called contact file. Okay. In contact file, we can do something. In login register everywhere, we can do something. Okay. Before that, understand some stuff of the CSS. Suppose if you go to the CSS file, style.css file, and we have a h1 tag. We have a h1 tag. For this h1 tag, color is red. Right? If we change here to green, how many places it will change? It will change in all the pages. In all the pages wherever you have used the h1, all the places the color of h1 will get changed. All the places the color of h1 will get changed. Right? So we can see something like this. Contact file is green. Register also green. This is green. This is green. This is green. All the pages converted into green. Right? That is called one to many. Write one time and use many times. Same CSS file call in this project also, and same CSS file in call some other project also. So it will work in this project also as well as other project. So we can start from the contact page, or we can start from the home page itself. Come to the home page, and in home page, okay, in home page, write one division. Okay, one division and one more division. The first division ID equal to left block, and second division ID equal to right block. Left block and right block. Inside the left block, You will add one marquee tag. Marquee tag. Open and marquee is close. For this, give direction equal to down. Direction equal to down. And in a paragraph, apply some text. In a paragraph, apply some text. Inside the second division, you can keep the h1 tag. h1 cut from the beginning and paste under the second block. This is the structure of your page. Write it properly. Okay, so hope ready. Come next to the CSS file. We have to create two blocks, left block as well as right block. And we need to write the CSS for both. Okay. Wrote something? Write, yeah. Write something. Write something. Left block has left block. Similar way has right block. Has left block has right block. Next, after that, right for left block width 25%, width 25%, and you can say display in a line hyphen block, not flow left. Width display in line block and vertical align top. It should print the content from the top. Here width 75%, display in line block. Okay, done till here. Check now. Left and right is happening. Some difference. Okay, this is went down. We have to give some margin. Now give here margin. One %, not 1%. Let's use 20. Keep 2% margin. Margin hyphen right. Margin hyphen right. How much? 2%. And here margin left 2% or margin left 1%. Okay. So 1% you have given margin here. So you have to minus here 74 only. Here 2% you have given margin. Width will be 23. But based on this also look like it will not come in same line. Inline block is also inline block. Might have to reduce the width little. Okay, space applied. Right, let me give the width 2% less. Here also 1% less. So little gap will be there. Yeah, it's coming now. Reduce that. Give 22% and here 2% give buffer memory space. Okay, give 1 or 2% buffer space. Now for marquee tag. For marquee tag, give height somewhere 350 pixel, so that marquee tag will display the content in 300 pixel height. Okay, marquee 350. Check now. This scroller will go till how much? 350. Okay, 350 you can make little more bigger. Next 450. So it will come till down. Right, from beginning there should be one headline here. There should be one headline in the beginning. Current updates or coming updates. Okay, right till here for H2 tag. Also you write color, some color, maybe blue color, and text hyphen align center. Whenever you write the H2, it will be in the blue color and it will appear in the center. H2. Left block and right block both are coming. Please check again if any problem. Which one? Compile. Why you have gap from top? We don't have any gap here. Gap why is coming? Okay, now we'll write some CSS for CSS S2 is written in home file only. Before marquee tag, write H2. Before marquee tag, write H2. Current updates. Current updates. Current updates before marquee tag. Add the current updates before marquee tag. Look like this. So this becomes a left side and this becomes a right side. Okay, in the right hand side, write the paragraph after H1 and place some text. In the right side, after welcome home, write paragraph and place some text, 3-4 line. One paragraph, keep one more paragraph. Wrote paragraph, 2 paragraph inside the right side block. It appears like this. Okay, the home file is working. This is under the right block. Inside the right block, I have added 2 paragraphs, 1 paragraph and 1 more paragraph. Reduce height. Height, how much you have given for marking? Reduce that, give 300. Right block, added 2 paragraph. In paragraph, in right block. H1 was there, after H1, 2 paragraph open close and add some text in that. Add some text in that. You given vertical line, top. Where vertical line top to be given, given something. We have to log and HTML what we have given. Where is that clear top? Left. You see that where I am writing it from? I am writing it from. Where I am. H1, listen to H1 and pasting back. Pasting back. Right block. Where is right block? Look at the weight. How much weight is there? Your left block. So the HTML part. There is the left block. Where is the end of that? After that, where is the right block? right block, in the right block. Very simple. Go to the CSS. Left block with the margin right, reduce the width 20%. Width make 20%. 22 replaced by 20. 22% replaced by 20. 20. 0 also. Max 20%. Right now. Now H1 where is the written? Coming from now. H1 has a this division has a problem. Go to the code again. Left block LEFT LOCK. Right. Your solve is you attended yesterday? No. Then regular at least from now. So for how many people looks like this? Left block is the scrolling text, right block is the fixed content. We'll go to the about file. In about file, write one paragraph, display some text data. In about file, after H1, write paragraph, display some text data. In about file, after H1, write a paragraph and display some text data. Okay. Next, after this, after the paragraph, we will display some photo. Write one img tag, src1.jpg, and class equal to my pic. 2, 3, 4 times. After paragraph, within the section tag only paragraph is added. After paragraph, you write the image 4 times. Write the image 4 times. Then write the image how many times? 4 times. Written, you have photos in a folder. Copy the photo from other folder and paste into the external CSS 4 photos. In internal CSS, you have some photo, copy that and paste into external CSS, keep 4 photo. Class is same for all. You have to give the path, but your folder name will be different. My folder name will be different. Will be difficult for everyone. You can see my folder name is this one. See here, what is my folder name? Something different. My folder name is this. And I'll go here and I'll write here / folder name and then /. Okay, so what it will do? Out of this current folder, it will check the folder call. Okay, so first has to be .. Let me check .. or single /, which one is working. So I'll go here, see if one photo is coming. So I will put .. and my folder name, but your folder name may not be same. Okay, your folder name will be different, so you can check your folder name. Okay, my folder name is do-internal-css. I given. Your folder name will be different. Else other option is there. Copy and paste the folder in the photo in the same file and then run directly. .. / represent one folder back. One folder back, there is another folder, internal-css. In that folder, there is a file. It should copy from there and display inside the page. Okay, next after this. Okay, after this, we can go to the CSS file and we can write some CSS for these photos. The photo class we are given called mypic. So come to the CSS file. We can write the CSS for mypic. We can write the CSS for mypic. Photo is loading. Other people, in case if you don't have photo, you download and keep in current folder and give the path like this. If your photo is within the folder, then the path should be directly 1.jpg. If the photo is out of the folder, you have to give the path like this. Okay. Next, after this, come to the style.css file. Write the CSS for mypic. mypic. Write for that. Height of the photo 150 or maybe 200 pixel. Control the width, height will be managed automatically. Margin 2%. Okay. Next, after that, give just width as a 20% only. According to height, width, the height will get controlled. According to width, the height will get controlled automatically. increase the width, I will get control automatically. Okay, ready? Save the file. Check now. Photos are coming something like this. So about is ready. Home is also ready. Some more file we have. Service login and all will work tomorrow.